Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to prepare a very yummy snack that is known as corn fritters. So the ingredients that we require to prepare this recipe are, here I have taken 1 cup of corn, salt as per our taste, 1 medium sized onion chopped, little bit of fresh coriander leaves chopped, 1 green chili chopped, a pinch of turmeric powder, little bit 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of all purpose flour, that is maida, and 1 tablespoon of besan, which is gram flour. Now this depends friends, if we need more we will use little bit more, we can add. So let's start preparing this recipe. And I'll be also using oil for frying this fritters. So first let us take the corn, add the onion, green chilies, turmeric powder and red chili powder, ginger garlic paste, fresh coriander leaves, maida, and besan. We'll also add salt as per our taste. Then I'm going to mix it first. We'll add very little water, and again we are going to mix this to form it into a thick batter type of the pakoras. Our corn fritters batter is ready. Here I am heating oil for frying it. So when the oil gets heated, we will take little corn batter and we are just going to drop in. We fry these corn fritters properly and then just turn them so that it gets cooked from both the sides. Our crispy corn fritters are ready. We will remove them from the oil. As you can see, it got the perfect color. Here I have taken it out. I will repeat the same procedure and fry these remaining corn batter. So here I have added them in the oil. Now let's fry it. Here a second set of fritters is also ready. So we will take it out from the oil. Our yummy and crispy corn fritters are ready. They're very crispy. Serve it hot with green chutney, ketchup or chili sauce. I hope you liked my recipe, friends. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest recipe videos. Thanks for watching, friends. See you soon. Bye.